didn't even know it comes with a bag. Nice. Oh yeah, it comes with a 5 amp hour, 2 amp hour, and then the 3 2-amp and a charger. Which I already have 2 chargers because I have a bunch of Dewalt stuff, but charger. Let's see what this is. Palm sander, dust collector, standard. Palm sander, XR. I think that XR is the top. See, this is nice. My palm sander only has one speed or mode. This has 7. Brushless, I'm guessing the one I have is brush. I have a 5 amp hour, and then I have a bunch of the, I think they're like, I have 60 volt batteries too because I have the weed whacker or the weed eater and then the leaf blower. But 12 or 20 volt, 5 amp hour. I think I lost one of my 2 amp hours, which I like these for, like when you're under something using a drill and having like a big bulky battery is kind of annoying. I have 9 amp hour ones of these, and then I think I have 7 amp hours also. So 2 batteries. I think this kit was $320, which I think good deal. I don't know, maybe not, but brushless. Well, actually, I don't know if this one is brushless. Or no, it is. Yeah, brushless. These are all brushless. I forgot the XR. Different settings on it. Actually, I've only used, shoot, why can't I remember what this is? Jigsaw a couple times. I never really had it, but yeah. The router. So you don't have to, I want to get the plunger so I can enter wherever. I actually need to get bits for this. I don't have any. Unless it can. Nope. That's it.